Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Honda Accord Key Fob. Pry out the emergency key, use a coin to twist the seam and open the shell. Gently lift out the old CR 2032 battery. Note the positive side orientation. Insert the new CR 2032 with the positive side facing up. Press the shell halves together until they click. Test the buttons and relearn the fob if needed at the car. Gather a few simple tools and the correct battery before you start. You only need a coin and a replacement CR 2032 battery, plus a clean cloth to catch small parts. Work on a flat, well-lit surface to avoid losing pieces and wear nitrile gloves if you prefer. Keep the fob away from moisture and strong magnets while swapping the battery. After reassembly, test all remote functions from a short distance. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, a smart helper that saves time between car chores. It offers voice control and smart mapping so it cleans however you like, even around tight spots while you work on keys and fobs. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like for more handy guides. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the key fob stops working after battery replacement, try a quick relearn procedure that often fixes synchronization issues. Sit in the car with the doors closed, insert the key and turn the ignition to the accessory position without starting the engine. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons together for several seconds, then release and test the fob. If problems persist, consult your owner manual or visit a dealer for programming assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.